there is sufficient circumstantial evidence to believe that Chinese smuggling syndicates, in connivance with local businessmen, protected by a number of employees and officials of the government in the BOC, NBI, PNP, DA, and perhaps even in the DOJ and the Bureau of Immigration, who allow these Chinese smugglers and their local partners to operate freely, occasionally raiding and seizing smuggled agri-products to show a semblance of law enforcement while ensuring that no big-time smuggler is prosecuted for the non-bailable offense of economic sabotage.